US30 and US100 both have seen a sharp rise yesterday, getting the support from 3500 and 11720. We have seen a good rally across. Now what can be expected in these two today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Also, press the bell icon. The next update on these two indices will be up before the US cash session. So do watch that. Do press the bell icon. Let's start the day. First, we'll look into US100 followed with US30. Now, let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can find, see, this was the breakout here. After that, a bullish candle is seen. So from 11,850 levels, we have seen this rally starting. And since then, it has achieved 12,020 levels. Now, look at here. It tried to trade in this. And then a reversal retracement. It is trying to reverse this gain. So, yes, once it trades about 12,000 levels, you can again stay long. We can expect 12,050, 12,100, in fact 12,180. See, I've told you, again I'm reiterating, I told you in my weekly analysis, 12,200, 12,300, 12,400. Just mark out this zone between 12,200 to 400. This is going to be the zone where it is going to get the maximum resistance. So one should not consider this as bullish reversal. Also look at the hourly charts. Why 12,000? 12,200 is the strongest resistance. Now it will try to create a base here. So now the 12,000 level, this is going to be the level at which it may try to trade sideways, and then it may call for a drop. The next support zone is at 11,900, 11,850, 800. This is the zone you should look out for. Once it trades below 11,850, 800 zone, definitely it will call for a stronger drop. The directional movement here is bullish. The stochastic is looking downwards here. The MACD is again trying to converge. It is trading in green. The RSI is trading near to top there. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you will find that so far it is trading bullish in this channel. And once it draws below 11,900, definitely it will call for a good drop. See, 11,900 previously was a stronger support resistance. Now it is going to be a good support. So look at the bullish candles also. This time it is trying to reverse. Yes, if you see it trading about 12,000, definitely we may see a little bullish move. Then you can expect 12,040, 12,100 and 12,180 levels, which are going to be the next resistance zone. And possibility of it to drop from 11,950 will increase. Below 11,950, rather I'll say 940, you can expect 11,920, 11,900 as a support, and below that 11,880 will come into picture. If it draws below, you can certainly expect 11,840, 800, 720 levels. So very nearby resistance still 11,840 levels. Remember this fact. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. It may look downwards from here. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is also indicating bullishness, but see, it is trying to converge. It is trying to, you can see, trying to give you a negative slope. Be careful. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see the candles, 4 green candles. The bullishness getting diminished here. Then a reversal. You can consider it as reversal only and only if it breaks past this zone at 11,950. Hence, you can go short at 11,940, expect 11,900 as a support, then 11,850 as a support, and below that we may see it dropping further on the downside till 11,800, 720 levels again. Directional movement so far bearish, willing to converge. Let's see if it crosses over. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading flat here. On the 4-hour charts, on the contrary, see this candle size, see this candle size. Yes, bullishness is diminishing. At the same time, see this doji and see this doji. The candle size is almost, or candle type is almost the same. It is trying to create, possibly we may see a little sideways movement in between 11, you can say 12,050 or 12,100 to 11,950. Possibility of it to trade within this. Just below on the downside also 11,900 is the level you should watch out for. Directional movement is moderately bearish here. Stochastic is overbought on the 4-hour charts. The MACD is divergent and it is bullish here. The RSI is trading flat without any sign there. Look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, slightly higher lows. At the same time, one must see higher highs. So, yes, this is an expanding triangle. Be careful of 12,000 levels. Beyond that, yes, we may see a little bullishness again. If you see it trading about 12,000, you can again expect it to rise a little 12,050, and then beyond that, if it breaks past 12,050, you can certainly expect 12,100, 180, 200 levels to provide a resistance. 200 is going to be the ultimate stronger resistance. What it may try to do, it may try to give you lower highs possibly till towards 12,180 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic was oversold. It is trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge, and the RSI is trading flat. Considering this, you have to be careful of 11,950 and 12,000 levels on the upside. If you see it trading above 12,000, you can buy it again, and you can expect 12,040, 12,050 at the first resistance. Then beyond that, you can expect 12,100, 12,080, 12,100. This is the next level. 12,080 is also a little resistance. Then 12,100, and beyond that, we may see it hitting 12,150, 180, 200. 12,200 is the ultimate level which you should watch out for. Beyond that, you can consider that it is trying to reverse, and then 12,300, 400 levels will be seen. On the downside, go short or sell below to 11,940. Below that, 11,900 is a very strong support, and if it draws below 11,900, you can consider 11,880, 11,840, 11,800 as the next target, and below that we may see 11,720 and below levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, and yes, if you want to learn this art, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is starting on 3rd of October. The methodology and the strategy taught will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can join my signals group. Also, you can be part of my Patreon page and support the effort out there. $7 contribution hardly means anything to be you, but means a lot to me. Be a patron and support the effort. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 on the hourly charts, higher lows, flat top. And yes, certainly if you see it trading above 31,100, you can buy again, then expect 31,150 and 31,200 levels also. And on the downside, below this zone at 31,050, you can certainly expect that we may see it covering up this complete move till 3950 and 3900. Be careful of 3900 again. Directional movement extremely bullish. It may start to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is so far bullish, it is willing to converge. See, the width is narrowing here. The RSI is trading near to top, indicating little bullishness there. Now look at the 2-hour charts. See, on the 2-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows. It is trying to break out this. Yes, if you see it trading above 31,100 again, you can buy. Then 31,150, 200. This is the next resistance zone. Then 31,280. Mark out this 31,280 for the day. Beyond that, it may see or it may fly high. On the downside, you can sell below 31,050. Below that, you can expect 31,000, 3950, 3900 as the stronger support. And if it breaks past this zone at 3800, definitely it will call for the bearish move. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and the stochastic is trading flat near to the top there. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it is trying to signal you a reversal. See the bullishness getting diminished. Here is the reversal candle, but should not be considered a reversal till the time it trades above 31,000. Below 31,000, yes, you can go short. You can sell here for 3,900, 3,850, 3,800, which are going to be the stronger support, and breaking below 3,800, it will call for a good drop. The directional movement so far was bearish. It is converged but not crossed over. Be careful. Stochastic is overbought. Now again looking downwards. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is trading flat on the top, on the upper side of this. On the 4-hour charts, you can find on the 4-hour charts, see one green candle, then the breakout candle, and now it is trying to give you an indecision move. But yes, if you see, if you can consider the bullishness definitely is diminished, and see The support there on the downside from 31,000 is strong and 3900 850 is strong. Only and only if it breaks below 3800, consider that as a bearish move, else it may try to fly above 31,100. You can buy it again, and till you can remain long till the time possible it may try to achieve 31,200, 31,300, 250, 300, and then in fact 31,400, 500 levels can be seen. The directional movement is trying to converge, but it is still not crossed over. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and it is bullish. The RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will find lower highs are done and it can reverse here. Also look at this previously lower lows. So the slope here is almost same. Possibility of a reversal exists. If you see it trading below 3800, certainly it will call for a good drop and then you can stay bearish from there. Directional movement is bearish, it is divergent. The stochastic is oversold, it is trying to look upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move, not yet crossed over though. And RSI is trading flat near to bottom. Considering this, you should not trade between 31,000 and 31,100 for these 100 points. Just watch above 31,100 till, in fact, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss till 31,150, 200, 250 till 31,250. It has got a stronger resistance. Then it may try to lend for 31,300, 31,400. In fact, 31,500 levels can be seen there today itself. On the downside, you can sell at 31,000, but remember 3950, 3900 very strong support, 3850, 3800 the next strongest support. The bearishness is only below 3800 levels. Be careful, trade accordingly. In between 3800 to 31,200 you have to trail your stop loss. Rather, I will say 3800 to 31,300 you have to trail with the stop loss, and you have to always keep shifting your stop loss to cost whenever you see your trade is in profit. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.